Have a nice day. This is our new products. It is a human lubricant. This one is strawberry smell and warm feeling. R is 100 ml and different language at the back of the tube. This one is 100 ml too, and different flavor. This is a delay. This is for per lung lubricant, 100 ml. Have a look. Now, let me open it to check the quality. Have a look. It's very transparent. The quality is very good. We also produce for many bigger brands. If you need a sample, welcome your contact with us.